Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So your mood in Waze is a small emoji that appears next to your avatar on the map. It's a quick way to express yourself to other drivers and make navigation more personal. Waze regularly offers special moods tied to events or promotions, so if you are using Android Auto or CarPlay, you can easily adjust these settings on your phone first. They will apply when you connect immediately. So the concept of today is how to actually change your mood in Waze. Let's get started, fast and easy as usual. First, go ahead and open your menu. So as you see here in Waze, we have different options and different settings. Okay, where should we also have this icon. As you see, there is some emojis. People are feeling happy in here. Okay, let me take a small tap so I can go ahead and basically pick this button here. So as you see now, when you can basically tap on the menu, you can access your profile, you can look for achievements, accounts and login, and you can also go invisible if you want. There is also the smooth button. You can pick a T-Rex, 8-bit, cat, dog, whatever you actually want. And that's your idea. So your map would appear on the map. I mean, your mood would appear in the map and in CarPlay and Android Auto as well. That's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.